What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. We are lucky today. We got 6 packs of Vivid Voltage to open and a triple blister of Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion with the Decidueye promo and the Shaman coin. And then we have what I think it appears to be a error package. I picked this up yesterday, and it appears to be error pack because on the back it says expand your awesome collection with a Pokemon pin and 2 Pokemon TC booster packs. So why is there 2 in there? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you've seen any of these booster double blisters with 3 of them in there. Let's get right into this. So I think we're going to start with these triple blisters. I'm going to start with this one actually. And let's see here. Alright guys. Yeah, let me know in the comment section what if you've seen any of these with 3 boosters in them. Why there's 3. Maybe I just got lucky. The reason it opened so easily is because it was just 3 are shoved in there. It's not used to having 3 in there. Alright, Sun and Moon. I'm not going to do the card trick for any of these, so we're just going to get right into them. You can see Carvana. Pick-a-Peck. Snubbull. Pharaoh. Hey, full art trainer. We always get some first pack magic here. That's insane. Each player shuffles their hand into their deck and flips a coin. If heads, that player draws 6 cards. If tails, then they draw 3 cards. It's a nice card. These look really cool. Energy. We got an Alohan Persian. A Wishy Washy. And there's the code card. Look at that. Charizard pin. And get it to focus. Cut's not so good. Off center. Alright, we're going to get into this next pack here, a Sun and Moon. Stuffle. Dupiter. Bunsweet. Parasect. Butterfree as the rare. Fire Energy. Trumbeak. Corsola. Energy Retrieval. Hey, that's it's actually a playable card right there. It's usable. Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion here, triple blister. Oh, man, this is on there really nice. Promo there. I'll get the Shaman coin out. That code card for you. Alright, let's get into this. I got a Ghastly. I can see Ghastly. Ghastly. Aeron. Mankey. Swinub. We got a Reverse Hollow Go-Go as our rare. And then we got a Alohan Marowak. I love that artwork. Look at the way that shines. That's a nice hitter right there. Energy. Mawile. Lairon. And then there's your code card. Alright, we've got 2 more packs here. Yeah, guys, so... Oh, we got another Ghastly. I've seen, I think maybe starter decks will be out. I've seen the V decks. I think that's what they're calling them. Maybe that'll be the new... And then that'll replace... They got Aeron, Mankey, Swinub, Alohan Geodude, and then Houndoom. Yeah, maybe those will replace... That would be nice. That means all the sealed product for starter decks is gonna, or theme decks rather, I'm sorry, is gonna go up. There's your code card. I anticipate those will probably get scalped. Last pack. We got the wind chime. What's his name? Chimicho. Spoink. Swablu. Swinub. Nummel. Orangu. That's a nice looking reverse holo. There's your code card. Let's get into some of these Vivid Voltage here. Let's start with these orbital packs. Looking for some amazing rares. We got Blitzel, Slugma, Beldum, Whooper. We got Toucan Sam. We got Donphan, Psychic Energy, Alistair, Metatang, Kakuna, and there's the code card. Alright, let's get into this next pack. We've got another Orbital. Shuppet, Poochyena, Rockruff, Voltorb, Vaporeon, Donphan, Psychic Energy, Kakuna. Nothing in this pack, guys. There's the code card. When I was down at the card shop and I went and picked up a couple of singles, I should have brought the camera with me, but I didn't. The lady was telling me that they have no plans on opening up anytime soon for events. So go ahead and go down to your local card shops and support them any way you can. Buy some singles, you guys. Because, you know, finding Vivid Voltage or packs right now is kind of hard. Maybe they got some singles for sale. Got that Vaporeon sleeved up. Maybe they got something you can help them in other ways. Maybe buy a couple of singles like I did. I think I spent around $20 on singles maybe. Which isn't much, but whatever helps. Whismer. Trubbish. Clobopus. Woobat. Beldum. We got Regirock here as our rare holo. Then Grass Energy, Trumbeak, Sableye. There's your code card. Alright, the pulls have been kind of subpar. Let's see if we can get some magic here. Come on. Ah, man, some of these packs are hard to open. We got Clobopus. Execute, Eevee, Woobat, Energy, Go-Go, Winden Stadium, Metatang, and there's the Go Guard. Let's see if we can get some second to last pack magic. Anything we can get, we'll take. C-Dot, Pick-a-Peck, Mudberry, Joltik, Barraskewda as the holo, and then the rare slot would be Mudsteel, Swellow, Dusclops, code card. All right, last pack magic for sure. We're gonna pull a giant Pikachu right now. This is gonna be the pack, you guys. This is gonna be the pack. We're gonna pull giant Pikachu right here. Last pack here, you guys. This would be the first opening of 2021 for me. The last video you saw was recorded in the, I'm sorry, this is the first video of 2021 for me. The last video would be in 2020. Alcremie. Oh, nothing in this pack, you guys. Oh well, join me next time. We're gonna get in here. We're gonna hunt. We're on the hunt for this giant Pikachu and a couple more amazing rares